Okay, I'm going to give you a real quick tutorial on how to log on to BrainPop because for some of you it's a little confusing and you have to create your own account. So if you're in your classwork, look at the screen, you're in classwork, and you notice that we have a BrainPop assignment. It's under social studies, so I'm going to go into here, I'm going to view the assignment, and then I have this log on here for BrainPop Junior. So I'm just going to click on one of these. And it's going to take me to BrainPop, okay? Right now, up here at the top, it has this place where it says enter code. So I'm going to go ahead and enter our classroom code. Our classroom code is TAP 5541, and then I'm going to hit submit. Now, it should bring up this little thing right here. It says you're about to join kindergarten. Log in. Well, if you've already set up an account, you can hit log in, but most of you have not. So this is where you want to hit create account. And here you'll just put your child's first name, their last name, username. I would make it just as easy as you possibly can. Just something you can remember and make sure you write it down so that you can get back in. And then you just hit create account and that should take you to your to the dashboard, and it will give you the assignments for kindergarten. Okay? If you have any more other questions, be sure to send me an email and I will try and help you out. Good luck.